March 20th, 2020, spring performance of the longitudinal installation. Normally this performance is done with 24 individuals as proxies for 24 people from around the globe who have been impacted by climate change. Today, as our city endures the coronavirus pandemic, I will stand in proxy for 24 of my fellow Miamians who cannot be here and recite their words on behalf of others who have been impacted by global climate change. 0 degrees, Spain. There may be a move of the wineries into the Pyrenees in the future. Xavier Sort, Technical Director of the Miguel Torres Wineries. 15 degrees east, Switzerland. Losses to insurers from environmental events have risen exponentially over the past 30 years, and they're expected to rise even more rapidly still. Pamela Heck, insurance industry expert. 165 degrees east, Micronesia. We have nowhere to go. Beham Nakamin, environmental educator. 105 degrees west, Colorado. In Colorado, climate change means less snow, less water, more wildfires, less biodiversity, and less economic opportunity, as there is less water available for development. Stephen Saunders, president of the Rocky Mountain Climate Organization. 90 degrees west, Nicaragua. I closed my eyes and prayed to God. Maria Gonzalez, Hurricane Mitch survivor. 15 degrees west, Mauritania. We are only eating 1 meal a day. When there is not enough food, it is the young and the old that get fed first. Fatimitu Mint Eletu Bukamo. This concludes the spring performance of the longitudinal installation in Miami, Florida. There is no certainty what will happen when we're supposed to convene 24 individuals here again in the summer. We do not know how Miami will change as we transition from this season to the next. We do not know if the fall Equinox will allow us to convene 24 people here. This installation was created to acknowledge, create compassion and empathy, and proximity with those who suffer from across the globe. Today, at this moment, when we confront a pandemic no one alive in the United States has seen the likes of before, we need to have this sense of compassion and proximity and connection and love to one another. Today, as we start spring, as we start a new season, we need to have a new understanding that will help us get through this.